back to another video on my YouTube page. Today I am featuring the Whisper Valley community. Now if you watched my Maynard Takeover video, which I hope you did, like and subscribe. Whisper Valley is about 15 minutes outside of Maynard, Texas. The unique thing about Whisper Valley is they are a sustainable community. They have zero energy efficient homes. They have pocket parks, nature trails, resort style pool, and organic farms where the residents do not have to leave. They can pick their fruits and their vegetables right here. Isn't that amazing? Like, what? So today I am featuring GFO Homes, and I'm standing in one of their inventory homes. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,900 square foot home. But the unique thing about this home, it hit the market in December and it hasn't sold yet. It was at $558. They lowered the price to $498. They're giving $10,000 in closing costs and a washer and dryer. Like what? What is going on out here to live in this amazing community? So I'm going to show you a quick tour. Y'all let me know what y'all think of it. And I'm also going to go back and meet with the sales agent and tour them out home. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. And so, like I said, I was going to come back and meet with Morgan Best today with GFO Homes so she can tell you a little bit about what they have to offer, their incentives, and a little bit more about the Whisper Valley community. So Morgan, tell us a little bit about your builder.
Yeah, so GFO Homes started in 2019.
Okay.
It's owned by Glenn Guillen. He owned Guillen Homes
Cool.
before this. And then he started this company with the idea of it being a production company, but having that luxury aspect to it. So we do have a build time of about 6 months. It starts with picking your lot here in Whisper Valley, and then you get to go to our design center. Our design center is with flooring services. You get to walk through the showroom with a professional designer and get to pick out those custom options like tile and flooring, all the fun stuff.
Okay, that's awesome. So what incentives do y'all have?
So right now, this month in March, we're doing, for our inventory homes, we're offering free washer and dryer. We're also
Y'all hear that? Washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer. And then we're also offering $10,000 towards closing costs.
Okay.
With our build options, we're doing half off our design center upgrades up to $50,000. So a max saving of $25,000 just there, but we also have the $10,000 towards lender incentive as well.
Okay. And then in the homes, is there anything that is like that already comes with it, like the quartz countertops? Is that standard, or is it something that's like an upgrade?
So yeah, so granite countertops come standard. You have the option to do quartz if you'd like.
Okay.
Something that comes standard with the home is solar panels in our neighborhood. So you include solar panels. We also have a geogrid underneath all the land here, so it makes the home zero energy capable.
Nice. That is amazing. And so, anything else you want to share?
Yeah. So our neighborhood, Whisper Valley, is one of a kind. It has, you know, just like I mentioned before, the geogrid, the solar panels. That's something that no other community in America offers combined.
Did y'all hear that?
Yes.
In America.
So it is one of a kind. We're
awesome.
10 minutes away from Tesla. We
Okay.
have the EV charging outlet in all of our garages.
Okay.
And the neighborhood in itself is around 2,000 acres. Yeah, so they're planning to bring kind of its own city to Maynard. It's going to be Whisper Valley City.
Okay.
So there's going to be, you know, retail throughout the community. There's 3 new schools that are being built, which a high school just broke ground, so
Okay.
that should be finished soon. There's also going to be a 600-acre park right across from the neighborhood. That's going to be like a mini Zilker. So it's really
So some
exciting.
exciting things that are coming out here. Anything else you want to share about just Whisper Valley in its own? I kind of shared about the organic farms, the pocket parks that they have. Like anything else that I might be missing? Because I want to make sure I have all the information, because when you choose Whisper Valley, all right, you're choosing right, all right?
Yes. So along with all those amazing features, we also have a heated pool. It's heated by the geogrid that we have too. So we have the heated pool, we've got a full gym, we also have a dog park and many trails and parks within the neighborhood as well.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Morgan.
Yes, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much. I hope y'all had like an amazing time touring all of this, checking out the videos. Morgan just gave y'all even more information. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of GFO Home? All right, let me know in the comments.